What's up guys, this is Shan Haider and in this video we are going to do gaming performance test of Lenovo Tab P12 by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also monitor the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. But before we start, if you are new to this channel then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the games we got today here on our Lenovo Tab P12 and the battery percentage is 69. Lenovo Tab P12 does not provide an FPS meter, so we cannot find how much FPS is being generated exactly, so we will have to rely on our eyes. But considering the fact that this device comes with just 60Hz display, we won't get more than 60 FPS anyway. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. So the graphics quality is looking good enough.
Get off my earth.
So the 3D graphics rendering is quite nice, graphics quality is good enough, and there is no frame drop or lagging. We are getting 60 FPS for sure.
I'm the man of steel. You can't beat an Atlantean.
I can do this all day. If you're smart, you stay down. You insured for beatdowns? I can do this all day.
Born to run.
So as you can see, there was no frame drop or lagging, the gameplay was pretty smooth and the graphics quality was good enough. So let's close Injustice 2. Now let's play Call of Duty Mobile. So in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile, by default high graphics quality is selected with very high frame rate. You can see in terms of graphics quality, high is the maximum possible graphics quality available. I can select max, but then the graphics quality is moving to low, so I can select high with very high, and this is what I'm going to select, and let's see how smooth the gameplay is going to be.
Doc RC is coming. Target's in sight! Dude, back up! Target down! Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
So you can see that the gameplay is pretty smooth and the graphics quality is good enough, not that great but it's still good enough to enjoy the game.
Back up! Enemy contact! Let's go. Enemy shock RC is coming. Enemy contact! Contact with enemy! Target's in sight! Careful, enemy swarm activated. Target's in sight! Contact!
It's slightly difficult to play this game because of the huge screen. But as you can see, there is no frame drop or lagging, and the graphics quality is good enough. Not too much detail we are getting, slightly pixelated, but it is because of the huge display we got here.
Tango down. Kill confirmed. Bring it up, squad. Enemy UAV spotted. Enemy in sight. Contact with enemy. Enemy contact. Enemy down. Sentry gun ready for confirmed. Targets in sight. Let's go. Enemy. Enemy contact. Target down.
So as you could see, there was no frame drop or lagging, graphics quality was good enough, and the gameplay was pretty smooth. So I guess we were getting around 60 FPS considering how smooth the gameplay was. Now let's play Asphalt 9. So here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9, you can see we have selected the high graphics quality and the 60 FPS mode is enabled as well. So let's play the game and let's see how good it's going to be. The graphics quality is looking good, not that great, but still good enough. The gameplay is not that smooth. So I think we are getting 60 FPS now. So gameplay is pretty smooth now. Graphics quality is looking good enough to enjoy the game, as you can see here. So everything was nice and smooth and the graphics quality was good enough while playing Asphalt 9 on Lenovo Tab P12. Now it's time to play PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, by default HD is selected for the graphics, high for the frame rate. I can select HDR with ultra frame rate. Ultra HDR onwards not available, so this is the maximum possible graphics setting. HDR with ultra. If I go to smooth, then extreme frame rate is getting enabled as well. So once again, the highest possible graphics setting is HDR graphics with ultra frame rate. So let's play the game and let's see how smooth and good the gameplay is going to be. So the graphics quality is looking good enough. If you have a look on the costume of the character, you can see the reflection of the light from the shoulder pad, from the vest. It's looking quite nice. Not too much detail. If you have a look on the ground, it's slightly blurry. But the gameplay is smooth enough. I don't think we are getting more than 40 FPS here. The gameplay is smooth enough. So as you can see, the gameplay is smooth enough. So as you can see, no frame drop or lagging is happening. The gameplay is pretty smooth. As you can see here, we are getting at least 40 to 45 FPS here. The graphics quality is looking good enough and the gameplay is pretty smooth. So I'm just going to leave it here. Let's have a look on the battery status. So after playing all of these games for like 35 minutes, the battery percentage moved to 63 from 69. So considering that the battery performance is pretty solid and the gameplay is good enough, it's just that the device itself comes with just 60 Hz refresh rate display. So you won't get more than 60 FPS in any way. Still, overall, the performance is good enough and you will enjoy playing some casual games on this device as well as some high-end ones. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.